Konnichiwa, minasan. Hello, traders. Um, Hope you had a great trading week. The last week, I did not do a video, I think, for the first time. I'm busy planning a relocation to Thailand. So I had a lot of family members and friends seeing me over the past couple of weeks before my big move. So last week was one of those weekends as well. But nonetheless, we're back on the charts today. I had a good trading week last week. No positions, so capital was preserved. So now for this week, in the top three, we have firstly the USD CAD, and over here we're looking at price coming to the upside to this double top area, as indicated with the ray line here. Should we get a rejection candle in that area there, I'll be looking to size this position up for a short position with a nice tight stop loss, and we'll take that to the downside and allow price to lead us to wherever it takes us. If not, the second option is if we get some kind of rejection in this area and a correction, something similar to this, but on this side. So I'll be looking for this type of correction here. Just quickly. Cool, yeah, show you what I'm talking about here. So if we get this type of correction, something like this, ignore this impulse up, but if we can get this kind of correction in that area, I'll then also size that up for a position and take that to the downside. Depending on how big the correction is, we might encompass the whole correction, or we might just look for a rejection candle, which gives us a tighter stop loss and a better risk to reward, and allow price to take us wherever it may go. The next pair that I have here is the Euro Yen, and over here I'll be looking for very similar kind of setups. If I can just quickly add this ray line here. So I'd be looking at price to come to this area, reject, and give us some kind of a rejection candle. I'll size up that position to the downside. If not, I'd then also be looking for price to get into this area, just exactly the same as the USD CAD. Give us some kind of a rejection in around this area, and then I can take that to the downside. And the last pair that I have here, well, this one is a commodity. I'm looking at a gold trade. As you can see, we've impulsed nicely there. We've had our first sort of larger correction, and now right at the end of this correction we have another correction that's forming. So what I'd be looking for here is for price to get to this area, give us a rejection candle, giving us a 1, 2, 3 type pattern, and it'll take that to the downside. And I'd also look to scale in on this position. So this would be the first position. Second position I'd take in this in and around this area here at the bottom, and I'll size that up with a good little stop loss and take that to wherever price may take us. The first position would be in and around this area, and I would manage them basically in the same light and see where price may take us. Otherwise, I'm trusting that you'll have a fantastic trading week ahead. I will be back again next week, but I think in May I might miss another weekend possibly, or on a weekend where I'll actually be traveling and relocating to beautiful Thailand. Otherwise, have a great week ahead. Cheers.